What's going on, guys? Back with another video. I missed my upload, my regular Sundays, but that's because I had some stuff that I had to be, to take care of or whatever, but ain't making any excuses. I want to say thank you to all the new subscribers. I believe we're at 326 right now, so I appreciate that. Finally passed that 300 mark. So, appreciate you guys so much. If we can get to 500, that's what's next, and then 1,000. Love it if you guys continue to share, like, comment. Doesn't matter, whatever it is that you got to do, share it with your friends. It helps the algorithms, believe it or not, for us to be able to get our channel out there. So if you guys could go ahead and just run it up for us, man, that would be greatly appreciated. Today's video, I got a part in that did some research on as far as where the turbo is located at. I believe I could probably make an intake, something that could go up and over to where, that area where it usually is factory, if we could do that. But for right now, I picked up something to put there for now, so there's no rocks or anything going in there to stop that. Kind of have just like a rubber thing around it, ring around it. Let me take this off. Basically, that's what it is. It's just the insert to the filter that I had on the other turbo. So that's the plan for right now. Gonna put that on. I get that part in the mail today, so as soon as that gets in, put that on, which you guys are watching it right now, so it's gonna be like 2 seconds. So let's get it, guys. So we're back. Basically, this is what we're gonna be putting on there. Turbo guard. So this won't be on there anymore. So we're gonna get that installed. Small video just for you guys, something to put out there. Stay tuned. There's a very exciting video coming up after this. Not gonna spoil it. It's a huge video we've been waiting on for a while. Something around that type of style that you guys been waiting on. Those who have been around originally in the beginning, we talked about doing this with the car. So no spoilers, but you guys are gonna want to see this video. So like I said, share the videos, like the videos, invite your friends over, show it to somebody to come over, watch it. Even if they don't subscribe, tell them to hit the like button, whatever they got to do to help us out. All right. So I appreciate you guys. We'll go ahead and get this on there, and then we'll be back. All right, guys. So got it on. This is a little thing to cover the turbo itself, the fins. Nothing too crazy. Just a small video for you guys. So yeah, like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, tell their family, tell someone to come over, like, share, subscribe. We'll catch you guys in another video, man. Thank you. We out.